ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ನಾನು ವೈಭವಿ ಗೋಪ್ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ವರ್ಧಾನ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ರೋಸ್ಕೋಪಿ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೇರ್ನ CEO ಮತ್ತು ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ದ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರು ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಸೊ ಇವ್ರ ಜರ್ನಿ, ಹೌ ಇಸ್ ದ ಜರ್ನಿ ಇನ್ ದ ವರ್ಧಾನ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ our audience want to know about your journey in the Vardhan and our hospitality, about our doctors and our specialization doctors. We have all the facility in our Vardhan. So what was your experience? What is your experience? Like our audience want to know. It will help other patient to come here to take the treatment and all.
Yeah. So basically, I got referred by Dr. Dippal Chudgar from Mumbai. I am a patient with endometriosis, adenomyosis, and fibroid. And I have conceived naturally. There is nothing, no surgery has been performed. So I had a great experience with Dr. Vijay. All the processes, everything, all the tests, everything was very smooth here. All the staff was also very nice, very cheerful. They always made us give us happy things. So yeah, that's a very good thing about this hospital.
So how long was your married life, and before and after, how you are feeling?
Yeah, it is a great feeling to enjoy this motherhood kind of things and everything. But yeah, I have been married like 5 years before, and I have conceived normally even after having these many things like endometriosis and adenomyosis. So yeah, I had a great experience with that.
So you want to tell anything about those who are not having a child? They are suffering to have a baby, and those who are suffering for what you are told, no, fibroids and adenomyosis, everything. Any tips from your end?
If you are going to any doctor in the Bangalore, please don't go, and please come to meet to Dr. Vijay. That's the experience which I have got, because that I have been treated with very nice circumstances. So basically, I will recommend to please first meet Dr. Vijay and then go anywhere else in this Bangalore medical.
It's completely the superior words you have given to Vardhan. Thank you so much. Really, I'm very happy to hear all the words. Thank you so much, ma'am. What about you, ma'am? What is like
I heard about this from my sister only. We both are pregnant. She is a 4-month.
4-month pregnancy and
No,
I had
8 month and I'm
She's
4 month.
oh, okay, fine.
I came to know about it.
4 months senior actually from her.
Fine.
So we are going through it right now.
Referred by your sister.
Yeah.
Thank you
We
so
have
much.
our friends also who has been referred here by us only, because we had a great experience. So we also want to share with them. So they are also coming here joining to doctor, and they are also giving a very good reviews about the doctor. So that was great.
It means a lot to us. Thank you so much. It will really help to other patients to come here to take the treatment. Those who are suffering a lot. Thanks a lot. ಯಾ, ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಬ್ಬರು ದ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ವುಮನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇದ್ದರು. ಅವರು ಜರ್ನಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಸೊ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಡೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಯಸಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಫೈಬ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಂಡೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಯಸಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಅಡೆನೋಮೈಸಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಬೇರೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಸರ್ಜರಿ, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ರೆಫರ್ ದ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು, ಇದರಿಂದ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿ ಸರ್ಜರಿ, ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಜರಿ, ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ, ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ. ಅವರಿಂದ ಅವರ ಸಿಸ್ಟರು ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಸೊ ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಗುಡ್ ಲಕ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೇಫ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.